Never have I ever tried durian.
What is this?
You are Malaysian.
Never have I ever stayed up in the mama until super late. Oh, of course.
Come on, we're Malaysians.
Yes.
Of course lah.
Course.
Hello, Malaysian law.
After our drinking sessions.
Wow!
You lepak,
Yum
teh
cha,
tarik.
yum
They call it mengete.
Mengete. Do you know what mengete is?
Mengete.
Mengete.
Is a verb, it's
Yeah.
an action. Mengete is you are taking tea on a prolonged period.
Have I ever?
Said I'm on the way, but I'm
She doesn't even need to finish it, I already know lah.
Let me guess, are you always late?
No, I'm not late.
You were late.
I stay really far.
I'm 50 already, so
It's not
I
an
always-
excuse.
my parents every time tell me, what time are you coming back? Oh, on the way already. But I still like, mama grandson.
Never have I ever count down to Merdeka.
I do lah. I mean, because in a sense, you're there. If you're there for like the fireworks and stuff, then you count down to Merdeka lah.
Oh, I have to flashback.
High school. I was one of the kids holding the
The
banner
banner. What banner?
for
Oh,
like
it's right.
4-5 hours.
Merdeka, Merdeka.
This year Merdeka is really special
That's true.
because this is Malaysia Baru
Yeah,
Spirit.
exactly.
So I really hope on the 31st there'll be just so many people there.
Never have I ever tried durian.
What is this?
You are Malaysian.
Of course I tried durian, it's like the best thing.
Wait, never have I ever means it's supposed to be.
This one.
Why? Why you don't like?
I hate the smell. I cannot even take the smell to eat it.
It's durian season. If you don't eat durian,
Yeah,
it's like
exactly.
what you do with your life, right?
My whole family
Order,
don't eat.
order.
Your
one
whole
durian.
family don't eat durian. You're Singaporeans, is it? Durian is the only fruit that you
The
should eat.
smell is
If you
horrible.
die and go to heaven, that's the first fruit they will serve you.
No.
Never have I ever feel guilty when shopping online. Whoa, definitely.
How?
You get cash back.
Feel guilty when you shop online. It's an addiction.
I feel guilty, but I feel happy.
It's like you
Just
might
buy.
spend like thousands of ringgit.
Okay, like I never spent until 1,000.
no.
You spent 1,000.
Oh lah, maybe. So there's one time, right, I actually go like Nike or Adidas, right? Then my mom's like, got ShopBack or not?
This is a good way to ice break.
Oh,
Yeah, we get we gel well together.
Because we're all from different backgrounds and our age gaps are quite big. But then we still experience a lot of these things.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's one of the specialties of being a Malaysian.
And I'm not really left out even though I'm that young. that I like.
So, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to shop the smart way, which is the Jimat Cermat way, which is a Malaysian way, only with ShopBack. Okay? Don't forget, do it.